is strong. It's too strong for me.
Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
I'm Mr. D
I'm Zoe.
and today we unboxing Henry, the red model.
Yeah. I can't wait. We have instructions.
Beautiful.
We have a bag.
Yeah.
We have the parts.
Yep. Brushes, pipe for the corners.
You've got the whole kit. I ran out of hand.
Yeah.
Oh, that was it in that way.
Yep.
Let's get this out there. We've got the cup.
Nice and big.
Oh yes.
With wheels, and it has this like a velcro that it removes hair.
Yes.
If you have a cat or dog or an animal that lives.
It also has the brushes.
It has the brushes.
Quite flexible. We've got its pipe, or its nose as I call it. You'll see why.
Yeah.
Pipe. Okay. I'll show you in a minute. Pipe. More pipe.
Yep.
And here's our Henry. Say hello, Henry.
Looks like it has a bag inside, so it looks like it
Ah,
has
it
two.
comes with two bags.
We will see. We will see in a few seconds.
Yeah.
So you have a light there.
Yes, when it's plugged in.
Yep.
If there's power from the socket, that will turn on.
Yep.
And you just turn it on and off.
Okay.
Nice little handle, and this is
For you guys, you're not familiar, it has a way to retract the cable. And let's show how you open it. So you pull out the two sides and you lift it from either the top or the bottom.
This
Very
part
nice.
is heavy. This part is heavy.
And this is the
It's filter. Holds it in place.
And it has a bag already installed. So we have two bags
We have two bags.
already in. Just double check and just to confirm. To remove the bag, most likely you pull.
Just pull it.
Yes. So it's very easy to install.
And it's got its seal so it won't mess up in here. So even if you do, you can see it's quite easy to clean. You just need a cloth.
Yep.
And
So we can install again the.
you just push, clicks on,
Yeah.
and I personally do that. So it's
Yeah. And we can put back in the filter.
yes, it goes that way. It wants to stay like that. this is the hard part. Maybe if I actually hold it from here. Oh yeah. And just put it back. Click it.
That's it. So
it's easy if you need to change the bag or just clean it. It's very, very, very easy.
Okay.
It has the instructions of how
to install the bag, how to open it and close it. It shows that you can put it on the side. If
Yes,
you
it's-
install the extensions. We will install
We
the
will.
extensions because we would like to use it as a proper vacuum.
And you can even store your little thingies. It's got like you can put
Your essential.
yes,
clean-
whatever you want. Like I personally would put this one because that's
Yep.
one of the ones I use the most.
All right. So shall we install? Shall we make the shoe basically?
Yes, and then I'll show you how to do this too. So get this pipe out of the way. I think. Yeah, that's it. And
You try to put it straight, obviously.
obviously,
Yep.
yep. And you've got this. That for some reason, so we can't turn it.
Yeah. So looks like this is your air control. Yep. And you take the pipe.
This is why I call it his nose.
You can see why Joey is calling this the nose, because it's like a face.
And you just put this in, push it a bit,
Yeah.
and you have a very, very long one.
Yeah.
So for the guys that don't want it that long though, you can actually take this piece off. Just pull it. And pull this. Yeah, so obviously I've put it in right. And you can use it like this.
Yep. Which is easier for depends on,
For it depends on the surface you want to do, your height, everything. Like
and of course it has the resting point on the back. So you have this plastic. and
yes, you just
insert it there.
carefully because you can break it.
Yeah. Perfect. So
Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys.
and you can use it straight on the pipe here, up here.
Yes, you can use it on the so you have better control if you want to do specific areas that need more attention. You see what it does.
Yeah.
It collects all that little fur.
Yeah.
So
So it's time to power it up.
yes, it is.
We're gonna do a very challenging test, if you want to say. We're gonna throw some cracker bits on the...
This is the first time I do. Normally I'm the one that's like, don't make crumbs on the floor.
and not on the carpet, but we have something magic that Zoe is gonna freak out we want to test the power of the vacuum. So we're gonna put some baby powder on it.
I can't believe I'm actually doing that.
Some baby powder we're gonna throw on the carpet and on the floor.
That is quite hard to do, yeah. Here you go.
You see?
Oh. Okay, let's make a real mess.
Don't throw it on the sofa. Okay, so you see this?
I feel so bad.
Okay, let's power it on. So are we ready? Yeah.
It's strong. It's too strong for me.
Look at that. Guys, look at that.
The suction of it is not even moving.
And I'm gonna tell you something. There is a reason it does that. Zoe said to me to put the vacuum on full power.
And now Zoe can't move it.
Yeah, so stop the vacuum if you want. So this is the adjustment, so we can hold the camera. This is the adjustment for the flow. So if you have it there, basically you suck air. Let me show you inside, if you can see. Now it's full closed, so it sucks a very strong. If you turn it the other way, you're allowing this filter to pass air, so you can use on the carpets.
Yeah.
So I did this on purpose to show Zoe because she said, no, just leave it like this.
Well,
So let's see again.
let's try again.
And of course, if you want to take the small pieces that left, on the carpet, as you see down here and all this, you just change the nozzle.
You can put this one on.
Yep. You need that plastic adapter.
Plastic adapter, put on the other one.
You just change the nozzle, and now you can do this. And this is the power of the Henry with his nice nose. So let's go to the conclusion, I believe.
Yep.
So this is the Henry, the red model. I don't know what is the precise name of it.
It's just Henry.
Henry. Yeah, because you have different names for the other ones.
Because Henry Pet,
I'm
Hetty,
happy that we cleaned this mess very fast. You saw it with your own eyes, guys. We didn't do any tricks, and we throw the worst thing that we can throw on a carpet.
And a fluffy one specifically because of the
powder.
Yeah.
So the main thing we're gonna say to you guys is look after your bags.
Yes.
To be clean, because the Henry is strong and it's very reliable. But if it gets very, very, very dirty, it's gonna start not performing well.
Yes, you can actually burn it out if you don't change the bag and over push it, obviously it will overheat and burn out. So check the bag.
And always put the filter on it.
Yeah.
Not only the bag, because
Yeah.
I have seen many people, they just put the bag and they say it's gonna be alright. No, it's protecting the motor. But it's very strong. You saw, you're gonna fight a little with that nozzle thing. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. So this adapter here, that it's turning, it's a little hard to turn, but you will figure it out. If it is on the minus, it allows air to come through the pipe. If it is on plus, you are in full power. But as you saw, Zoe couldn't move it from the carpet.
It's just stuck on the carpet. I was like...
But if you go on flat surfaces like tiles,
it will be fine.
You're gonna remove every single
last piece of dust.
Yes, and this thing that has natural hair, I believe it's for...
I would actually do the corner of my couch and things with it.
And maybe on the couch. Tell us, guys, what you think, what is this specific for, but it doesn't matter. As long as it has power, it's gonna do it. So, this is Mr. D and Zoe.
Yes.
Thank you very much for watching.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
And see you on the next video.
See ya.
Have a lovely day.
Bye.